How to master the art of negotiation. You negotiate for your rent, for your business, for your time. Now the question is, how do I master the art of negotiation? Come with me. 1. Know what you want. There is power in knowing what you want in a negotiation. Imagine negotiating for a job, negotiating for a deal, and you don't know what you want. You don't know the investment which you will reap from that particular, the money you will reap from that particular investment. You don't know the in and out of the job. The first aspect is know what you want during the negotiation, and that is power itself. The second one, have a walk away option. What do I mean, have a walk away option? Donald Trump said, if you are not willing to walk out of a negotiation, then you are not a good negotiator. There is this aspect which you need to master, and that is BATNA. It's called BATNA, which means best alternative to a negotiated agreement. What is the best alternative to a negotiated agreement? Do you have a plan B? The third one is master the pause. You see, for you to be a good negotiator, it's not necessary you talk a lot or you yap a lot. No. Silence is also a power on itself. Whenever your opponent speaks, you calculate his words, you calculate his aims, you calculate whatever he has in his mind, and you reply them tactfully, you reply them strategically. You see, some people talk themselves out of a deal because they don't wait for their time. They keep interrupting their opponent. And that is not how a good negotiator behaves. Number 4, aim for win-win negotiation. You don't need to be aggressive. You just need to be strategic. You need to make sure your opponents or your partner or the opposite side also gets his fair share of the bread. You know, some people tend to believe that if you win all the things, if you win all the deal, then you're a good negotiator. No. Holistically, that is not being a good negotiator. A good negotiator is the person who can work with others to make sure both sides take home something. And that is a win-win situation. Today, that is our 4 strategic on how to master the art of negotiation. Like, hit the subscribe button and share with others. Welcome to Sango Insight.